Hello everybody, I want to show you in this video how you can take a screenshot with the Huawei Mate 20. So there are some ways. Let me show you the first one. To use the power button and the volume down button, hold it together and you can have a screenshot. So after you could enter the screenshot to edit it, maybe you can crop it if you want, maybe just to have a picture from a website and so on, confirm it here. And now it's part of our gallery. Okay, and there's a second way to take a screenshot. So for that, you just scroll down to go to the shortcuts, scroll down a second time, go on the point screenshot, and you have a screenshot as well. Okay, and the third point is to use the knuckle, double knuckle, and you have a screenshot as well. Okay, and there's another way with the knuckle. You could do it also with bomb and zack, and draw something. And here is what I've drawn, and you could change it also in another one, like in a heart and so on. It looks more cute. Go on save, go on enable, and you have it as well in the gallery. Okay, and as I said, after you can find the pictures in the gallery, here they are, the photos, and you have also own album folder, which one is named screenshots, and you have all this, I have here all the screenshots I have done. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question, and yeah, if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created some other videos if you're interested in. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao!